Protests are growing across the country, with people rallying in San Francisco and New York. Trump says Washington can't be burdened with the medical costs and disruption of having transgender people in the armed forces. Our White House correspondent, Kimberley Halkett, has more.
It's estimated there are about 10,000 transgender service members in the U.S. military. On Wednesday, their commander-in-chief told them, in spite of their efforts in the name of their country, they were no longer welcome. Donald Trump delivered the order via social media. After consultation with my generals and military experts, please be advised that the United States government will not accept or allow transgender individuals to serve in any capacity in the U.S. military.
The decision is based on a military decision. It's not meant to be anything more than that, and it's simply about, obviously it's a very difficult decision. It's not a simple one, but the president feels that it's the best one for the military.
The decision is a major reversal of President Obama's military policy. In a statement, his former Defense Secretary Ash Carter said to choose service members on other grounds than military qualifications is social policy and has no place in our military. Rudy Akbarian is a transgender service member in the U.S. military.
Why would any president prevent those who want to serve our country, who are willing to lay down their lives for our country, from doing so? We deserve the right to fight for what we love.
LGBTQ advocate groups are promising to challenge the policy shift in the courts, arguing other militaries in the world have successfully integrated transgender members into their fighting forces.
Countries like Germany, Canada, the United Kingdom, Israel, Australia, Spain, and many more.
They accuse the U.S. president of turning his back on them and a campaign promise. Last year, Donald Trump wrote in a June 2016 tweet, "Thank you, LGBT community. I will fight for you while Hillary brings in more people that will threaten your freedom and beliefs."
I love my career in the military, and I don't want anyone taking that passion and that love away from me. I'm absolutely concerned.
The White House says the president consulted with his generals before announcing this policy shift. But what isn't clear is how this policy will be implemented, or what it means for the thousands of transgender service members currently serving, some on the battlefield. Kimberley Halkett, Al Jazeera, Washington.